ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ, ಮಂಗಗಳಿದ್ದಾವೆ. So good morning YouTube. It's a rainy start today and I'll be heading towards Kudremukha. Let's start the engine so that it warms up a little bit. Hope I'll be able to wash this only after I come back. Anyway, so I'll have to fuel up and then I'll have to pick up my friend from Shimoga. So I'll see you on road.
This is the Tunga Bridge in Thirthahalli. As soon as we got closer to Agumbe, it started to rain, and we both were hungry too, so we thought of stopping at Agumbe for breakfast.
ಬಂದಿದ್ವಿ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ.
So we are stopping for breakfast. Let's see if we can find the Agumbe special neer dose. So after some fresh neer dose and idli vada, we are heading towards the Agumbe sunset point.
ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ, ಮಂಗಗಳಿದ್ದಾವೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಥರದ ಮಂಗಗಳು ಇದ್ದಾವೆ.
So we are leaving Agumbe now and we'll be heading towards Kudremukha, where my friend's cousins will be joining us who are coming from Karkala. So if we keep on heading in this road, it takes you to Sringeri. So we're gonna visit the Shardamba temple there, and later we'll head towards our main destination, which is Kudremukha. But for now, I'm ending this video right here. Please stay tuned for my next part of the video, where I will be visiting Kudremukha, which is the second highest peak of Karnataka after Mullayanagiri. And as the monsoons were already here, we could see so many small waterfalls on the way, just next to the road. And last but not least, a less traveled waterfall, which is a pearl tucked away in a quaint village. If you find my content interesting, please leave a thumbs up. If you've watched this far, I'm sure that you like this channel, so go ahead and hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get notified of my upcoming videos. Or if you want to tell me what you feel, what are your thoughts on this video, please leave a comment below. This is Nikhil saying goodbye. See you in the next video. Till then, laugh at the confusions, live for the moment, and know that everything happens for a reason.